Wait, redo.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I'm David Got Kicks.
We're out here in LA. The boys are back in town.
Okay.
We were up since 6 o'clock and we are now in LA. We have 2 cars that we're picking up today. No clickbait in today's video. We're working with Lexus again. All the Lexus homies, thank you so much for the opportunity.
Yes, thank you, Lexus, for this opportunity.
Say it again, like you mean it.
Yes, thank you, Lexus, for this opportunity. Just like that?
Just like that.
Okay.
So yeah, we're on the way to pick up 2 Lexus vehicles. I'm not gonna let you guys know what they are yet, but we do have them for the week. Same thing as last time, so they really like the content that we made, which makes us super happy. We're gonna pick those up, but first, we need to pick up a brand new lens today.
Yeah!
Yes, sir!
Let's go!
David got this super cool lens and I was like, I need to keep up with David, so I'm getting a fancy lens today, boy.
Yeah, guys, so I'm so excited to be here. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun.
What are you holding?
It's my new gimbal, silly. I'm vlogging with the lens cap on.
This means that David Got Kicks is gonna make amazing videos now. With the gimbal? What's up?
That guy makes videos still?
Dude, he just spent 3,000 on that, and you don't put my boy down like that.
No, it's true. It's true.
Dude, stop.
I just want a new hobby, so I want to have fun, okay?
Everybody, right now, go hype up David Got Kicks on his Instagram. Tell him that he has the.
Stop.
Wait, you want to see something cool, guys? David, why are you turning red? Dude, you instantly turn red when I say that.
Stop!
Are you turning red because you're nervous or?
That was a good one. You're gonna color grade it so it makes me look even more red.
You look like a freaking cherry tomato right now. Side note, Dustin needs a sponsorship for a new windshield.
If anyone has any hookups on a new windshield, please let me know. Slide in my DMs.
I can help actually. Maybe with my like filming and like all the money I make, I can like buy you a windshield. Actually no, because you didn't support me.
Okay.
We're about to do this quick Facebook Marketplace meetup for this lens. I'm super excited. This is a big boy lens. I'm gonna be like David.
Don't be like me, be better than me.
Daddy, chill.
That really hit me right there.
All right, thank you. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Drive back safe. Yeah.
Guess who's the owner of a new lens?
This guy right here.
Let's switch over to that new lens. Let's get some rolling shots, bro.
Yay! New lens?
Yep,
How does it look?
it looks good.
Yo, I just want to say, like, I'm really proud of you. You've been doing this little business for a while now, and it's just nice to see you grow. Yo, stop! You can see my pores and my imperfections.
Is it crazy?
You can see my insecurities.
Ew.
Are they all fitting in there?
There's no way they're all fitting in there, dude. 16 people. There's no way they all fit.
Yeah, there is.
Wait, they're all fitting?
No way.
Yo, where the meat at? Where's the meat at? Oh, I like that green. That one's sick. Jeez.
That is nice.
Plate number 645.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we just arrived to the Lexus offices. We're picking up a LX. We have the IS500 as well. I believe the LX is right behind us.
All right, guys, comment down below which key do you think starts this up.
Oh, there you go. Let's go check this one out. I think this thing is huge. I like the color. That's huge. LX600.
First things first, guys, I want to show you the trunk space.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, probably not for us. Oh, there's a third back row.
Yo, it's a party in here. Look, auto.
Yay!
Yeesh! All auto, folding. Oh my gosh.
So much room
Oh my
for
goodness.
activities.
You have the keys?
Yeah. Damn, Dustin getting comfy already? Are we gonna convert Dustin to a Lexus? So this is gonna be one of the cars. Dennis, I can tell you had your corgi in here. I see corgi hairs. Now we need to find the IS500.
We don't see the IS500 anywhere, but
Think about this, freaky bro. We get in this one, We drive around until we find the IS500.
Sure.
Okay. Do you want to drive this, freaky bro?
Yeah, freaky bro.
Dang.
This thing's a monster.
You got space?
Yeah. Okay, we found it, boys. Let's go take a look.
I call dibs.
You can leave this one running.
Okay.
Go ahead and check this one out. Again, one of 500.
Sick.
Yeah?
This is sick.
This is sick.
Can we get a cold start?
Already?
Yeah.
Peep the Alcantara?
Let's get a little cold start. Oh, that sounds pretty good.
Yo, this is a race car, dog. Number 131 of 500.
Oh, they labeled it on the inside?
Yeah.
What? Alcantara on the inside. Let's see that badge that David was talking about.
Dude, I might trade
131
my Beamer
of
for this one.
500. You want to drive this one?
Yeah.
You want to take this one back?
Can I?
Yeah. Sport Plus.
This is sick. I like this one, dude.
You like
this is
it?
sick. No, dead ass. I think I might trade it in.
Whoa, we
Converted.
just converted Dustin! So I'll be driving Dustin's car. Dustin's taking the IS500 and then David's taking the LX600. We're gonna meet up at Colin's house right now, so let's go.
A shark only bites if you Yeah, 51st dates, right?
Oh,
A shark only bites if you touch his private parts.
I thought that was Finding Nemo.
Dude, how do girls do this?
Right? It just like gets in your mouth and everything.
I gotta take a picture like this. I'm gonna send it to my girl.
Okay, we're on the way to get a car wash real quick because the car is a little bit dirty. So I'll be whipping this one.
Yo, check out this Bel Air. That's nut. Honestly, if I was a car, I'd probably be a Bel Air.
Why a Bel Air?
Just look at it, bro. The way it's sitting so low.
Dang, all the cool cars are out today.
Who's slapping MB Riders?
Damn.
Fuck!
Sitting sideways.
Hey yo, we got Colin in the building. Look at this guy.
It's just like the underpass. I don't know what it's exactly called, but there's like a museum like on this side.
The one with the stripes and all that?
Yeah, and then right above us is the art museum.
Brought the IS500. David's gonna be doing a little video work with his new gimbal.
I got a cute little gimbal, guys. What do you think?
We're gonna try to take some cool pictures over here. This is what it looks like. See? Pretty cool. Probably get a picture like that. Boom. Oh yeah, that's gonna look
You need
nice.
anything in the trunk?
I'm gonna get my lens.
Wait, your new 70 to 200
Hell
G
yeah,
Master?
bro.
Wow.
So I'm gonna go ahead, switch over to my lens. So we're just gonna be doing a couple photos. I'll probably throw it up on the screen right.
Ain't no telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I done cried. Wipe the tears up from my eyes, had to put my pride aside. I swear I've been on my shit, I did this all with no one else. They gon' take me as a joke, but they ain't know the things I felt. I'm still trying to find my way to move myself from all this hell. Lost too many on my soldiers, I ain't good with no farewells. Don't forget it, just forget. I still remember how they treated me. Try to knock me down, I got right up, they ain't do shit to me. Had to separate, these bitches fake, don't need that energy. They trying to keep me down, I stood my ground cause I had bigger dreams. Ain't no telling what I do.